Hello students, welcome back to Future Foundation. Students, in this video, I am going to discuss question from an ellipse which was asked in JEE Main 2025 held on 29th Jan Shift 1. So let's start. Question is, let the ellipse E1 x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 where small a is greater than small b and E2 be x square upon capital A square plus y square upon capital B square is equal to 1 where capital A is less than capital B have same eccentricity 1 by root 3. Let the product of their lengths of latus rectum be 32 by root 3 and the distance between the foci of E1 be 4. If E1 and E2 meet at A, B, C and D, then the area of the quadrilateral ABCD equals. So here two ellipses are involved, one is horizontal and other is vertical, right? So let us draw first these two ellipses. E1 is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1 where a is greater than b. It means horizontal ellipse is green in color having vertices at a comma 0 minus a comma 0 on major axis and 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b on minor axis, right? And e2 is x square upon capital A square plus y square upon capital B square is equal to 1. Here a is less than b. It implies that it is a vertical ellipse which is yellow in color having its major axis as y-axis, vertices as 0 comma b, 0 comma minus b in negative direction, 0 comma b in positive direction, 0 comma capital A comma 0 and minus capital A comma 0, right? Now we want these point of intersection as it is mentioned in the question that these intersections are A, B, C and D. So let's say A, B, C and D. But from figure, as figure is symmetric in all four quadrants, so if I know the one intersection, then by symmetry I can get all four. So we can see that this is a rectangle, right? ABCD is a rectangle. So now eccentricity for both ellipse is same, which is 1 by root 3, right? Now for E1 capital for ellipse 1, E1 is 1 by root 3 and which is equal to root over 1 minus b square by a square, right? So it is nothing but 1 by 3 is equal to 1 minus b square by a square or 3 a square is equal to a square minus b square, right? And also it is given that foci distance between foci for ellipse 1 is 4, that is 2ae1 is equal to 4 means ae1 is equal to 2, right? So a square e square is equal to 4, a square e1 square is equal to 4 and e1 square is 1 by 3. So a square by 3 is equal to 4 implies a square is equal to 12, right? So if I use a square in this, then I can get b square. So therefore, in fact this is uh, from here, sorry, actually this is a square by 3 is equal to, from this a square by 3, it is a square by 3 is equal to a square minus b square. So a square by 3 is equal to 4. So I can directly write a square minus b square is equal to 4. Okay, and from this we can get a square is equal to 12. So a square is equal to 12. If I put a square is equal to 12, then I get b square is equal to 8, right? So a square is equal to 12, b square is equal to 8 implies a is equal to 2 root 3 and b is equal to 2 root 2. So here, from here, one is x square by 12 plus y square upon 8 is equal to 1, right? Now one condition is also given, which is product of lattice rectums is 32 by root 3. Means for even lattice rectum is 2b square by a, and for E2 length of lattice rectum is 2a square by b, and which is nothing but 32 by root 3. Okay, so 2 2's are 4, 8's are 32, and b square is 8, 8 by a is 2 root 3 into a square by b is equal to 8 by root 3. Root 3 cancel out, 8 cancel out. So a square by b becomes 2, right? Now, as eccentricity for E2 is also 1 by root 3, so also 1 by root 3 is equal to root over 1 minus a square by b square. Okay, so from here 1 by 3 is equal to 1 minus a square is 2b, so 2b by b square, right? So 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, so 2 by 3 is 2 by b, so b is equal to 3. B is 3, so a square is 2 into 3, that is 6, means a is root 6. A is root 6. So now, therefore, E2 is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now, from E1 and E2, we can get x and y or point of intersection. So if I write x square by 12 is equal to 1 minus y square by 8, or x square by 6 is equal to 2 times 1 minus y square by 8. So therefore x square by 6 is equal to 1 minus y square by 9, right? So if I put x square by 6, 2 times 1 minus y square by 8, 2 times 1 minus y square by 8 is equal to 1 minus y square by 9. So it will become 2 minus 2y square by 8 is equal to 1 minus y square by 9, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 is equal to y square by 4 minus y square by 9. So from here it is 1 is equal to 9y square minus 4y square by 36, or 5y square is equal to 36 implies y is equal to plus minus 6 by root 5, right? So why is this? Therefore x, then x square by 6 is equal to x square by 6 is equal to 1 minus y square by 9, and y square is 36 by 5 to 9, right? So 9 4s are 36. So x square by 6 is equal to 5 minus 4. That is 1. 1 by 5. Or x is equal to plus minus root over 6 by 5. So here a is 6 by root 5, root 6 by root 5, comma 6 by root 5. Right. Similarly b is minus root 6 by root 5, comma 6 by root 5. And c is minus root 6 by root 5, comma minus 6 by root 5. And d is root 6 by root 5, comma 6 minus 6 by root 5. So if I use triangle AOD, we can say area of rectangle ABCD is nothing but 4 times area of triangle AOD, right? So therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is nothing but 4 times area of triangle AOD, which is 4 into 1 by 2 base. Base is AD, right? Base is AD and height is this. Let's say this is OE, means 2 into AD. AD is 12 by root 5 into height is root 6 by root 5. Okay, which is 12 to the 24 root 6 by 5 square units. This must be one of the given options. 24 root 6 by 5. Option A. So students, let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.